Oil change number 5,627.
Yeah, a lot of them.
98K on this.
99, probably.
99.
About to be.
So this is the 100K oil change.
Like 98.8, so like 200 miles. And
this is the oil change to 100.
Yeah, it is. Let's hope it makes it. Nah, it's mint.
Nah, it's good. It's good. If anyone else is out here watching the channel and they have Rotella T6 in your car, if you use Rotella T6, I have been having a hard time finding it on the shelf at my local Walmart and any other store for, was it $23?
Yeah,
I don't know.
It used to be 21, now it's like 25 if you find it.
If you find it.
Yeah.
Tom ordered it. What you paid?
I was an idiot. I paid $60 off of Amazon to get it.
And I don't know if it's just here in Jersey, but comment down below if you guys use Rotella and can't find it, because I don't know what's happening. So might be switching to AMSOIL if that's the case, which is fine. The cars are not built, so as long as it's synthetic, you do every 3K, it's really not a big deal. But I do like the Rotella T6, but if it's gone, like I said, you know, AMSOIL is a good second option for us. But comment down below. I'm wondering. I don't know where the heck it's been going, but it's gone out here in Jersey. Always gotta use the jack stands, dude. You don't want this car falling on our heads.
I kind of do. Yeah, it's whatever.
It'd probably feel alright.
I'll take one for the team.
Yeah, it'd be alright. Probably just get a black and blue or something. Just sleep.
I could just sleep.
Indeed.
Always bunk over here, dude. Only bunk setups.
Gotta get that nice socket.
There we go.
The attachment that goes on the ratchet helps.
Yeah, I got one for the V8 Titan, not for this.
There.
His dad always said you gotta check if the black ring, the rubber part, is still on there so you don't double stack it.
Yeah.
That's what I just checked. Hand tight for the boys. Damn wind.
Oh, top dot's full. Might be good.
That's probably good. Just gotta start it up a little bit.
Yeah. If it settles, that'll drop more. If not, that's good. it.